Well, don't complain. I'm sorry. You're there. You're there. Well, just climb up. Tatum's mad because I moved her to try and get her to crawl over there so I can get a video of her crawling and then also a video of her pulling up. Not thrilled about any of it. Go get it. Tatum. Oh, bunk. Bunk. Yay! There we go. That's all I wanted. Tatum. You don't want to look at Mommy? Tatum. Tatum.